Hi friends! Today I'm gonna be making chicken namban. Chicken namban is one of a kind of fried chicken dish dipped in sweet and sour sauce and topped with tartar sauce. It's so rich in taste and I love this food so much. I remember I eat chicken namban bento after the training when I was a young girl in junior high school, and it energizes your body and you're gonna love it too. Let's get started. Remove excess skin and fat. I leave the skin on as it is, but you can remove it if you don't like the skin. Make a shallow cut on the surface to make it easy to bite through. Cut open the thick part to make it even thickness. Prick all over the surface on the skin side to make it soft and seasonings penetrate. Sprinkle salt and rub to season well. Set aside while we are preparing the batter. Here I have 3 tablespoons of tempura flour. Tempura flour is a pre-mixed flour that is ready to use, just mix with water, but you can always make your tempura batter. I'll give you the ingredients in the description box below. Save about half a tablespoon of tempura flour for dusting on the chicken side. The crust will fall off if you don't dust before putting in the batter. Mix about 1.5 tablespoons of water to tempura flour to make a smooth batter. What I like about tempura batter is no matter less or more I want, I can always make tempura batter. I don't want to waste eggs for the small portion of tempura batter. It's good to have a package of a tempura flour if you find it in the Japanese food section at the grocery store. The chicken preparation is done, now let's cook the chicken. Put your oil for frying in the frying pan 1 cm from the bottom. Turn the heat to medium until it becomes 160 degrees Celsius. Start cooking the chicken side down. It takes time to cook through the chicken, so I always put the lid on and cook on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. Carefully slide off the lid and wipe off the steam on the inside of the lid. Be sure not to drop the water into the oil. The hot oil will splash all over and you don't want that. Flip it over and put the lid on again and cook another 3 to 4 minutes. The original cooking method for the dish is deep frying. I don't think many of you don't want a mess in your kitchen. So I cook with a small amount of oil instead of deep frying and use a lid so you can cook through in a short time. Again, be careful with the steam not to drop into the hot oil and you will get burned yourself and splash all over your body and your counter. It's not easy to clean it up. Okay, it looks good. Take out onto the wire rack and drip off any excess oil. Transfer the oil into another container. I am using an oil container with a filter and keep it for another dishes. Now let's make the sweet and sour sauce for chicken namban. Put your sugar, rice vinegar, and soy sauce and mirin into the frying pan. Cook on medium heat and bring it to a boil. Reduce a little and put your cooked chicken into that pan. Soak in the sauce and cook up quickly. Take the chicken out from the pan. Pour the sweet and sour sauce all over the chicken and leave it until we prepare the tartar sauce. For the tartar sauce, we need 1 hard-boiled egg, mayonnaise, and minced onion and cucumber pickles, and milk to adjust the consistency. I don't like chopping the hard-boiled egg on a cutting board, and I always do it with an egg cutter. Cut it through and change the direction and cut it through again, and you can have your hard-boiled egg into small dice. Mix all the ingredients together and add a little bit of milk to adjust the consistency, and you have a tartar sauce. When you find a big chunk of the egg whites, just cut through with the spatula. Now it's ready to serve. Cut into strips to easy to eat with chopsticks. Spoon it over a little bit more sweet and sour sauce and topped with tartar sauce. For the finishing touch, sprinkle chopped scallions and lemon wedges. The tanginess of the lemon cut the oil from the chicken and it makes the dish so good. I like eating from the center part because the part is always the best. Unlike the other Japanese dishes, chicken namban is a lot of rich flavor and texture in your mouth. Sweet and sour sauce and mild and eggy sauce makes the chicken so complex but so delicious. When I take a bite, I want to have it with a steamed rice. So I reheat the frozen rice in the microwave. I can't stop myself from eating the chicken namban and rice. When you make it, you will agree with me. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!